Nestled in North Carolina is a town that's quietly powering the world's tech. You probably haven't heard of it, but trust me, it's one of the most important places for technology on the planet. Let's take a look at the hidden gem that's changing the future. Research Triangle Park, or as tech insiders call it, RTP. Right between Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill, RTP is a massive hub packed with innovation. Over 300 companies call it home, from giants like IBM, Cisco, and SAS, to scrappy startups building the next big thing. That's about 50,000 people working every day on breakthroughs in semiconductors, biotech, software, and way more. Now, what actually makes RTP the gem of North Carolina? Here's the secret. So much of the tech you use daily, from your phone's microchip to global cloud networks, has roots right here. Picture rows of engineers testing tiny chips, robotic arms assembling hardware, and scientists in labs pushing boundaries. There's a reason RTP is a magnet for talent. The coolest stuff in tech starts here and then goes global. But it's not just about gadgets and code. RTP is an economic powerhouse for North Carolina. We're talking tens of thousands of jobs, booming local businesses, and a ripple effect that lifts the whole region. As one tech CEO put it, RTP is the engine behind North Carolina's tech boom. And they're not exaggerating. This place is the backbone of the state's tech economy. What about the future? RTP isn't just resting on its laurels, it's diving into AI, green tech, next-gen communications, you name it. Imagine AI labs buzzing with ideas, solar panels powering smart buildings, and teams coding the next leap in technology. This place is shaping what's next, not just for North Carolina, but for the entire world. So next time you pick up your phone or hop online, remember, there's a gem in North Carolina at the heart of it all. The future of global tech innovation beats here. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories of hidden gems powering our world. Like, comment, and share if you're as obsessed with tech as I am.